we made it to Waikiki, and I haven't been here in forever. So we made it to Waikiki, and I haven't been here for. I can't speak, but
This is gaming time with Tyler.
gaming time with Tyler. So we made it to Waikiki, and we are at the international market, and I haven't been here because it just opened, and it's actually really nice. So I might do some shopping, I don't know, but that's the plan for today. That's my mom, that's my dad. I'm about to make this treehouse mine.
My treehouse.
It's my treehouse. So this treehouse used to be a bar with rum, but now it's just a treehouse, and now it's my treehouse. So what are we gonna do today, guys?
We're gonna go to Waikiki.
We are in Waikiki. We're gonna go shopping.
Yeah, but I play this treehouse.
The treehouse is mine. Look. Looking fabulous. So right now we just got out of Forever 21, and now we're walking to get some udon, because this udon place in Waikiki is like literally the best thing in the world. And so I got a few things. I might have a photo shoot on the beach because we're gonna eat udon on the beach, so might as well. Which one did you get? Number 9. Look at yours, Dad. Yours looks good.
It is good. I think I saw that come out of me last night.
It looks so gross, but it's so good. Like, okay, compared to yours and compared to Mom's, like mine just looks like it just came out of the toilet. But mine tastes like it came from the heavens.
Ew, you eat shit.
So we made it to the beach. After Forever 21, we ended up going to Udon, and then after Udon, we went to the Apple store. So I charged my phone the whole time, so that's why I didn't vlog it. And now I'm at the beach, and the sun is in my eyes, and it burns, but I have to get used to it because I am not smart and I didn't bring sunglasses. Perfect. Happy anniversary. Kiss, kiss, kiss. I'm taking pictures. Kiss. we're about to go to Yogurtland and we're gonna get some yogurt because yogurt is amazing after the beach.
You know what's better than yogurt? Beer.
Words of wisdom. So we're gonna go get some yogurt. I didn't go in the water because we didn't stay that long, so I just did like a photo shoot.
Man, we was here for like 3 hours.
We were here for one. So, you gonna get some yogurt?
Probably, because I'm forced to go.
Same.
Then we'll go to the cookie place, because we gotta get our
That's
parking ticket
right.
validated. It's the only reason. Not there for cookies.
Okay, the cookie place is literally the best place though. It tastes so good. If you ever come to Hawaii, go to Honolulu Cookies because it's, oh my god, it's the best.
And if you have no like scruples or care for the world, you can just eat all their samples over and over and over, like our family does.
They got free samples and we take advantage. Yogurtland closed down, so we're not getting yogurt. So we're probably just gonna get cookies or Jamba Juice because cookies?
Or we don't have to get cookies.
But Jamba sounds good.
Hold up.
So instead of Jamba Juice, we're gonna get mochi. Which one are you gonna get?
I am going to get the passion fruit.
What about you?
Pistachio.
What about you?
I'm passion fruit.
I'm getting pistachio because that one's my favorite, even though... So we got 4 pistachios and 2 passion fruit, and they look good.
Alright, are you gonna have your pistachio? Okay.
Thank you.
What is that one's actually
So this is what it looks like. It's just basically like rice flour and then like ice cream's inside. So I'm gonna take a bite and I'm gonna show you. So it's basically that.
Yeah, there's a new one. Hold on, I dropped it.
Let's see. This one's my favorite. White chocolate coconut. So we went to Honolulu Cookie and we're picking out our cookies right now. And there's a new flavor, it's pumpkin, and I don't want to try it because I'm already a white girl.
You should try it.
So we're going home now, and once we get home I'm probably going to go to sleep because I'm really tired and I didn't have coffee, so
Wait, you
it's
can
nap time.
Like a full dog.
I just got home from Waikiki and I'm exhausted, so I'm probably gonna go to bed and eat my cookie because I'm fat and I like my cookies. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below what you would do if you came to Hawaii. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I love you guys so much, and bye.